In this video, I'll show you how to sell subscriptions on Shopify. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, go to Apps and open the Shopify App Store. Next, install a subscription app that's compatible with Shopify, such as Shopify Subscriptions or another subscription app that fits your business needs. After that, open the app and complete the setup. Choose the products you want to offer as subscriptions, then configure options like billing frequency, renewal schedule, and customer subscription settings. Now decide whether customers can purchase the product as a one-time purchase, a subscription, or both. Save your changes once you've finished configuring the subscription options. Next, review your product pages to make sure the subscription options appear correctly. If needed, customize the product page so customers can easily choose their preferred purchase option. Finally, place a test subscription order to confirm that recurring payments and subscription renewals are working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sell subscriptions on Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.